Hey everybody, so today we're going to talk about wood burning our beehives. So a lot of you guys may be wondering, why do I want to wood burn my beehives? Well, for starters, it's a great waterproofer, it looks beautiful, and honestly, it's way easier and faster than painting your beehives. Another thing you're going to want before you get started, a piece of sheet of roofing or something that's just going to be less flammable than the ground. And then you're going to want to get that piece of roofing wet and all the ground around you wet. So all in all, wood burning your hives is faster, cheaper, looks better, and is safer for your bees. Hey everybody, if you love that, please subscribe below. Stay tuned for more future episodes. Sorry, there's this really annoying mother goat behind me who won't stop bleating. That's goat lingo for making a lot of noise. Hey.